spelling test list 4. So be sure and have your paper headed up correctly. Remote students, this is for you as well. On the top line, spelling test, under spelling test, name and date. Number your paper 1 through 10, and then down the middle 11 through 20. Skip a line and number 21 through 30. That is how we take our spelling test. Whether we are A day, B day, or remote, our papers should all look the same, okay? All right, so beside number 1, I need for you to write the word holidays. America celebrates many of its national holidays on Mondays. Holidays. Number 2, write the word chimneys. Old houses often have several chimneys since fireplaces were once used for heating. Chimneys. Number 3, write the word ideas. Taylor had several creative ideas for her science project. Ideas. I hope you guys are thinking of some creative ideas for your history project coming up. Number 4, write the word circuses. The Ringley brothers bought out 2 other circuses before forming the giant Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey circuses. Number 5, write the word quizzes. Doing well on quizzes often means you'll do well on the test. Quizzes. Number 6, wrenches. Uncle Andrew had several wrenches in his toolbox. Wrenches. Number 7, quantities. Stephanie filled the bathtub with equal quantities of hot and cold water. Quantities. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video at any time. Number 8, mysteries. Scientists have yet to unlock many mysteries of the sea. Mysteries. Number 9, radios. Shortwave radios can pick up stations from all over the world. Radios. Number 10, cellos. Cellos are much larger than violins. Cellos. Number 11, pianos. The young couple looked at all the pianos in the music store before deciding on one. Pianos. Number 12, tomatoes. Tomatoes are actually fruit, not vegetables. Tomatoes. Number 13, echoes. The children enjoyed making echoes in the long tunnel. Echoes. Number 14, volcanoes. Most volcanoes can erupt without much warning. Volcanoes. Number 15, beliefs. Our beliefs about God must come from His Word. Beliefs. Number 16, thieves. Have you ever read the story of Ali Baba and the 40 thieves? Thieves. Number 17, calves. Some of the newborn calves had to be fed with a bottle. Calves. Number 18, knives. Hannah put the butter knives away in the drawer. Knives. Number 19, judges. In the book of Judges, we read about Samson and Gideon. Judges. Number 20, Ruth. The book of Ruth shows the rewards of doing God's will. Ruth. Number 21, write the word that means questions, searches for answers. Questions, searches for answers. Number 22, write the word that means favorable circumstances, chances for advancement. Favorable circumstances, chances for advancement. Number 23, write the word that means similarities. Oh, I just told you the word. You got a freebie. Write the word similarities. Be sure you at least spell it correctly now. That happens sometimes. Y'all tell me, that's okay, Ms. McDermott. Number 24, write the word that means revelations about the future. Revelations about the future. Number 25, write the word that means the results of some previous action. The results of some previous action. Number 26, write the word that means things that add comfort or save trouble. Things that add comfort or save trouble. Number 27, write the word that means persons who hold offices in government. Persons who hold offices in government. Number 28, write the word that means public displays. Public displays. Number 29, write the word that means long journeys on water or into space. Long journeys on water or into space. And then number 30, write the word that means journeys by organized groups with definite objectives. Journeys by organized groups with definite objectives. All right? Be sure and before you finish up, be sure and make sure that your I's are dotted. Be sure that your T's are crossed. We know how to make M's and N's now in cursive. Be sure your M's have 3 humps, your little N's have 2 humps. Be sure if we wrote any O's that are loop-de-loos or at the top of our O, be sure that we do not have loop-de-loos in our A's because there are no loop-de-loos in A's. So if you went out and wrote in cursive, be sure that you check those things. If you didn't write all the way in cursive yet and you haven't been in our school, then you are fine. You may keep printing for a little bit longer till we get a little bit more confident in our cursive writing, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Turn your papers over to the back side. Bible test, name and date, and you will need to write our Bible that we had for this week. I believe it's Philippians 2:14. I believe is what it was, but you guys should know it because you've been writing it every day. So write your Bible verse on the back of your Bible test. Had your paper up, Bible test, name and date on the back of your spelling sheet.